Termite sensor DIY pest control products can give homeowners early warning of moisture, movement, and activity before visible damage appears. Start by mapping critical zones where termites or moisture are most likely to appear, such as perimeter crawlspace vents, sill plates, subfloor joists, deck posts, and entry points around plumbing penetrations, and choose sensors that measure either moisture, acoustic vibrations, or both. For acoustic sensors, place them flat against wood members using a screw or clamp adapter to ensure solid coupling and to reduce ambient noise pickup. Set sensitivity low enough to avoid constant false triggers, but high enough to detect the faint scratches and rustling of termite movement. For moisture sensing, use capacitive or resistive pads sealed against timbers or beneath flooring voids and keep them off the ground to avoid flooding false positives. And calibrate them by measuring known dry and wet references so thresholds are meaningful. Connect sensors to a home automation hub using a reliable protocol such as a long-range, low-power option or Wi-Fi with good signal strength, and set push alerts for threshold events and sustained trends rather than single. Spikes to reduce alarm fatigue. Log and review data daily for the first 2 weeks to establish baseline patterns, and then check weekly for deviations. Shorter intervals help detect fast infestations and slow leaks equally well. Always pair electronic alerts with a physical inspection of the indicated area because sensors indicate conditions but do not confirm species or structural damage. Homeowners commonly place sensors in non-critical locations so they miss activity, so focus placement where wood is in contact with soil or near moisture paths, and retest placement after a week to confirm the device is detecting expected baseline signals. Another frequent issue is poor signal or dead batteries causing data gaps, so use mains power where possible or choose long-life battery options and set automated low battery alerts, and periodically test connectivity from the furthest sensor location. A third problem is over-reliance on automated interpretation that mistakes wind or plumbing noise for termite activity, so treat algorithmic flags as prompts for a hands-on inspection or a professional assessment rather than definitive evidence. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches for termite monitoring and remediation. We host a discussion community where we share installation tips, vendor experiences, and troubleshooting advice, and we help contractors connect with local homeowners looking for work.